Let's do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Jeffrey. I do videos on my 2017 Dodge Challenger RT alongside the project vehicle on the channel, which is a lifted 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be working on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. So today we're going to be installing new headlights for the Jeep. The headlights that I have currently, they're just the stock OEM ones. They're all fogged up, and plus on one of them, the inside of the housing, where the part where you twist the actual bulb inside of it, that part's cracked. So the bulb keeps falling out. And that's just been a big annoying problem. It's been like that since I bought it. And so the best option for me was just to get a completely new headlight. And if you're wondering what brand I actually went with, funny story, I have no idea. I believe they're called KHCs. Funny story, I bought these headlights off of a friend of mine. He had a Jeep Grand Cherokee. He had some leftover parts when he sold his vehicle, and he never installed these headlights on his car. I bought them off him, and honestly, like, just at this point in time, anything will be better than the stock ones I have, especially because of, since they're broken, my bulb keeps falling out. So every morning in the morning when I go and, you know, take the car to work, I have to check to make sure that my actual headlight, the bulb, is still inside the actual housing. Because there's been plenty of times where it has fallen out and there's like a bulb just hanging down. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm going with these headlights. And just to give you guys a quick look at what these things look like, these things are absolutely gorgeous. Still have the plastic wrapping on them, and they are blacked out. So first things first, I gotta move the cars around. I gotta get the Challenger out of here, and I gotta put the Jeep in here. It's kind of a process. You have to take off the grill and take off the bumper to get to the headlights. So it's kind of a process to do it, but hopefully we can get this done within like an hour. But let's see what we can do. Let's do it.
Perfect.
It's me, Jeffrey.
Want me to film you? No. Okay, like I was saying, guys, so to tell you the truth, this, good thing I didn't do a tutorial. My whole thing was set up completely different. The previous owner, literally, instead of bolts, there was a whole bunch of these like plastic pins and stuff like that. So the tutorial I'm going to link down below, it'll be a better tutorial if you want to know how to do it step by step. but I don't know, like the previous owner, he wired up some like blue like ring lights around these fog lights. I really don't like it. I kind of want to take these things out. I don't know, how do you disattach these fog lights? You can't unscrew this thing. I don't know what, I literally have no idea how we did this. Like, look at these wiring. I mean, that's, I'm not a wiring expert, but I don't think that's, you know, the safest thing ever. I'm gonna unbolt the light, so then I'll have access to the wire, so I can see what I need to disconnect to get that off, because I'm gonna do that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, some time has passed. I had to figure out which bulb. I had them backwards, reason why they wasn't cutting on. The Fitbit is a little bit crazy, but I can get it. Alright, we got them on. They work. Wow, these things look so nice. Can't wait till this is all buttoned up. So let me button up everything and then we will reveal it. Alright, so I got this, got the headlights on. Man, these look so nice. I'm not gonna lie to you, this looks great. Whoa, it really makes the front end look so much better. I'm gonna give you guys a better walk around when it's a little bit lighter out, but I wanted to show you guys at least what it looks like at night, because my goodness, this looks so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So as you just saw, this is what it looks like. This is actually a couple days later. I wanted to film it in the daylight so you guys can see what the headlights look like. Honestly, I think they look so much better than the stock OEM ones. Those other ones were just so fogged up and it just didn't look right. These ones are so nice. It holds the bulb in place. They look great. Man, I don't know, I'm just really happy with the way that they look. But yeah, so you know, we're on our journey to improve the Jeep WK. Not sure what else I'm going to be doing next. I do have a couple more ideas in stored, but I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with next. But I think this was a good upgrade to do. So if there's anyone out there who's looking to do it, I think it's worth it. It definitely improves the overall look of the vehicle. But just like that, I'm in the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Check out my channel. Subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, the same name as YouTube channel. And like that, I'm out of here. Goodbye.